Hello Ethan, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for you for this 2009 Kawasaki EX650. Kilometers 40,411 kilometers, and the price is $38.88 plus HST and license. This motorcycle comes with a front and rear tire, brand new, custom mirrors, sliders, and two brothers slip on. And also this motorcycle comes with a thumb protector. Bike from our company, you will receive a fully safety certified and ready to go for the season. And also this has a kid eliminator, integral turn signals on the tail. So bike is very clean. If you have some time, please come to visit our store and we're happy to assist you. If you have any more questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.